Hi Imagi-coders! Nice to meet you. I'm Vanessa, the newest imagiLabs member. I joined the company recently as a web developer intern. Today, imagiLabs app will help me introduce myself to you, but you have to do the same. That's your task for day 17. Introduce yourself by programming your main facts in the imagiLabs app. Are you ready to find out more about me? Let's go. I'm Vanessa. I'm 27 years old. My favorite foods are burgers and sushi. On my spare time, I like to do weightlifting. I love dogs. I like to travel. And my favorite colors are pink and purple. You just found out some facts about me. I can't wait to learn more about you. Well, but one thing I already heard about you is that you are awesome and very talented community. And it's true. Your projects on the imagiLabs app speak louder than words. Keep coding.